Hey there everyone, Captain John here, and on today's adventure we're going to hook up with a company called Setness Tours. Setness Tours does a lot of our, they hire a store to do a lot of their different field trips for their group, and we're going to tag along with them today. Basically what we're doing today is we're going to pick up a group at 3 different locations here in the Central Valley. We're going to go to Lodi, Stockton, and Modesto to pick up. And then we're going to take the group, the Setness Tours, and their group that they bring. We're going to go stop for a late lunch, early dinner type thing. The great thing with Setness Tours is they usually invite me to participate. If you remember a few videos back, several videos back, I did a tour, 3 or 4 day tour with Setness Tours. We went to San Francisco, did a whole tour of the city. We stayed in that Zypher hotel. It was like a shipyard themed hotel. So if you go back, maybe, I don't know, 10 videos or so, you can see that trip I did with them. So that's the same company, Setness Tours. So Wayne Setness, the owner of the company, and Sean, she's the director, the tour director for the company. Most likely, for sure, Sean will be here. Wayne may or may not be here today. And we basically just take this group out. We're going to stop at a restaurant, like I said. We're going to have some food. I'll be documenting that as usual for you guys. And it's a short one today. It's not going to be a multi-day trip. This one, we're just going to the Gallo Art Center, and we're going to watch a show. And I believe today's show they're doing a dog show, like a stunt dog show, kind of like American Idol, where they are not America's Got Talent, where they have like the dogs performing. I think it's that group that's going to be at the Performing Arts Center tonight. So we're going to watch that show before I take them back and drop them off. So real quick, you know, trip for Setness Tours. But Setness Tours does a lot. I mean, they do worldwide tours. This is just a very short one doing today. They do multi-day California tours. They do different states where they'll fly you out to like South Dakota or to, you know, Louisiana. I mean, they do several different types of tours. It's more than just taking a bus out for a few days. Earlier this year they did like a Kenyan or Africa tour, which sounds like it was a lot of fun. I wish I could go on a tour like that. Amazing tour. So anyways, if you guys are interested in something like that, especially if you live in the Central Valley, California area, I'll leave a link to their website down below, Setness Tours. Go check them out. Another cool thing about Setness Tours, let me show this to you real quick. It's like it's super nice people, especially Wayne and Sean, the people that run the company. When they found out that I was going to be their driver, they sent me a text message and said, hey, we have some extra tickets. Would you like to invite anybody to join? And it's like, sure, why not? So I have my first mate. So I have Venus here. She's going to tag along with us today. She's going to enjoy some lunch and watch a dog show, which I'm sure she's very excited about. Yeah. All right, let me get this bus pre-tripped and we'll be on the way. shades pull down in the bus, so that way while it's nice and warm out here, it stays cool in the bus. We'll park a spot right over here. Just gonna lock up the bus, we'll go inside. And we made it here to the Fruit Yard restaurant.
This is the first one.
You can. Over here. It's over here. I'll be right here waiting for you. I'll be right here waiting. Yeah, over here probably. There. All right, so that was the Fruit Yard. Awesome food, huge portions. They actually have quite a large property here. They have this little lake that you can go and see the ducks, chickens, and a little bit of a pond going on. Check this out, little baby chickens. Ducks just hanging out over here. And that's where we parked the bus right over there, and we're gonna get it started now. And I'll bring it a little closer so they don't walk far. And it's warm, so we gotta get the air conditioner pumping for these guys.
See how it looks like a piano? I mean, it hasn't painted in a while, but it's a real piano. And down there, they at this corner, just down here at the corner, you don't go past that corner, but they have musical. Yeah, just down to that corner, not far. You can see on the other side of the statue. You can go down 2 blocks if you want, but it's really, really pretty. So right here, yep. We'll do the driver's side first, and just fine,
And we arrived here to the Gallo Center of the Arts. We'll take a quick walk over here, take a look around the property before we go inside. We're gonna park our bus right there. I've actually never been here before, and neither has Venus, so we're just going to kind of take a look real quick. Yeah.
Okay. Then this way right here?
There you go. So this is where we going?
Somewhere over there, she said. Over by that wall. Papers. Yeah, but there's more tickets there.
Thank you.
Yeah, there's your seat, the Royal Swing.
We haven't sent out a brochure. We sent out. We don't mail out the brochures anymore.
Well, we weren't able to film the show. They asked that nobody record, but I'll show a little clip right here, so at the end here, so you kind of see what it is that we're watching. But in that case, that's basically the end of the video, guys. I appreciate y'all being here. Make sure you check out Fitness Tours. Like I said, they're very generous to let me and my wife Venus tag along. So thank you, Fitness Tours, for that. Always appreciate it. And until then, we'll see you guys down the road.